I like Tobiko and I like seaweed salad. Ever since I went to a sushi restaurant, I was hooked. So, I asked my mom to get some Tobiko, fish eggs, and seaweed salad to eat by itself. But my mom made sushi rolls with these ingredients and it tasted even better. It's super simple, easy, and I think I could do it and I have basically no cooking experience. You will need sushi rice. The sushi rice ratio is in the description. Tobiko and seaweed salad. And you also need some seaweed paper. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your seaweed paper and fold it in half like so. Then grab a knife and cut along the crease. Now, grab one half and take some rice and spread it like so. You don't want to cover the entire sheet of paper. You want to make the back look like a border. Now, roll it up and cut it in half. Now, once you've made a decent amount of those rolls, you will see why we made it not cover the entire thing and there's a space. Because you're going to be filling in that space with Tobiko and seaweed salad like so. Just grab a spoonful and fill it in. Now, we're finally done. Isn't it so simple? It's really delicious. When we had this for dinner, we also had it with the Lion King, and that was really good too. Expect a video for that coming out soon. But the Tobiko rolls, they were super good, and I really like the fish eggs, so I just ate them like a cupcake. I just took the fish eggs off the top, dipped the rest in soy sauce, and just ate that. Also the seaweed salad rolls, that was really good. And you see that ginger roll in the bottom right? That one was made especially for me because I really like the ginger. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and have a great day.